Are you tired of skyrocketing home prices and overcrowded cities? Imagine waking up to the stunning high desert landscapes, enjoying over 300 days of sunshine a year, and still being just a short drive from major cities like Los Angeles and Las Vegas. In today's video, we're uncovering the top reasons why moving to the high desert of Southern California might be the best decision you make. From affordable housing to booming job market to endless outdoor adventures, stick around to find out why more and more people are choosing to call the high desert home. These are the top 10 amazing reasons why the high desert should be your next home. And believe me, you're going to want to stick around until that very end because number 10 is something I'm personally super excited about, and it could totally change the game for anyone thinking about making the move out here or even investing. So let's dive in. You don't want to miss this.
Number 1, affordable housing market. The high desert offers some of the most affordable housing in Southern California. As of mid-2024, the median home price in areas like Victorville, Hesperia, Apple Valley, and Barstow ranges from $350,000 to $400,000, significantly lower than in coastal regions like Los Angeles or Orange County, where median home prices often exceed $800,000. The affordability makes the high desert an attractive option for first-time homebuyers, those looking to upsize, or investors seeking rental properties. Number 2, growing job market. The high desert is experiencing significant job growth, particularly in sectors like logistics, manufacturing, renewable energy, and healthcare. The area's strategic location along major transportation routes like Interstate 15 has attracted large distribution centers from companies such as Amazon, Walmart, and Target. Additionally, the renewable energy sector is expanding with new solar and wind farms, creating numerous jobs in green energy. Number 3, proximity to major cities. The high desert is ideally situated near several major cities, offering residents access to urban amenities without the high cost of living. Los Angeles is about 80 miles away. San Diego is about 143 miles to the south. Huntington Beach is about 92 miles southwest, and Las Vegas is approximately 180 miles to the northeast. This proximity allows residents to enjoy big city experiences while living in a more relaxed and affordable environment. Number 4, outdoor recreation. The high desert is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Residents can explore the vast Mojave Desert, hike through the scenic San Bernardino Mountains like Big Bear, California, or even off-roading adventures in places like Johnson Valley, King of the Hammers. The area also is excellent for opportunities for camping, fishing, boating, and nearby lakes such as Lake Silverwood Lake and Lake Arrowhead. Additionally, the Joshua Tree Park National Park is just a short drive away, offering a unique desert landscapes and world-class rock climbing.
Coming in at number 5, lower cost of living. While the cost of living has risen nationwide, the high desert remains more affordable than many other parts of California. Housing costs are significantly lower, and everyday expenses like groceries and utilities tend to be more manageable. For example, while the cost of living index in Los Angeles is around 180, the high desert's index is closer to 120, making it a more economical choice for those looking to stretch their budget without sacrificing the quality of life. Number 6, ideal climate. The high desert boasts an ideal climate for those who enjoy those warm, sunny weather. With over 300 days of sunshine each year, the area offers a dry desert climate that is comfortable for most of the year. Summers are hot, yes, we know, triple digits, but manageable with air conditioning, while winters are mild with temperatures rarely dipping below freezing, but every now and then we will see snow. So while you enjoy those outdoor activities year round. Number 7, booming real estate market. That's why I'm here. The high desert's real estate market is on the rise, with property values increasing as more people discover the area's benefits. Investors are taking note of the potential for significant returns, especially those in rental properties, as demand continues to grow. Whether you're looking to buy a home for personal use or as an investment, the high desert's real estate market offers great opportunities. Coming in at number 8, community and lifestyle. The high desert offers a unique blend of small town charm and modern conveniences. Residents enjoy a slower pace of life with the benefits of living in tight-knit communities where neighbors know each other and local businesses thrive. Despite its growth, the high desert retains a sense of community that is often lost in larger metropolitan areas, making it an ideal place to settle down and enjoy the quality of life. Number 9, investment opportunities. The high desert presents excellent opportunities for real estate investment. With affordable land and properties, investors can purchase homes, commercial real estate, or even large plots of land for future development at a fraction of the cost of other areas in California. As the region continues to grow, the potential for appreciation and rental income makes it an attractive option for savvy investors. And this is it, guys. The one you've been waiting for. Number 10, rapid community growth. Communities in the high desert, such as Victorville, Hesperia, Apple Valley, and Barstow, are experiencing rapid growth due to a combination of factors, including affordable housing, job opportunities, and infrastructure improvements. New developments bringing in more retail options, restaurants, and services, making these areas increasingly self-sufficient and appealing to new residents. Additionally, many more people are relocating for more expensive coastal cities in search of a better quality of life and lower living cost. And that's not all. Exciting developments are on the horizon for the high desert, like the upcoming Brightline high-speed train that will connect Las Vegas to Los Angeles in just 2 hours, you guys. Planned for completion in time for the 2028 Olympics, the major project will include a stop just north of Apple Valley, the north side of Apple Valley, making our region a pivotal point on that route. This new connection will dramatically reduce travel time between these two vibrant cities, allowing for a quick weekend getaway to Las Vegas or easier access to the job opportunities in Los Angeles. This train is expected to bring significant economic benefits to our area, including increased property values, new business opportunities, and enhanced tourism. It's great, guys. $3 billion project here. Additionally, Barstow is set to benefit from the Barstow International Gateway, the B.I.G project, a massive rail yard and logistics hub that will transform the area into a major distribution center. This project is expected to bring thousands of jobs to the region and significantly boost the local economy. The B.I.G project, combined with the Brightline train, positions the high desert as a key player in the Southern California's growth, making it even more attractive place to live, work, and invest. Imagine enjoying all that Las Vegas and Los Angeles has to offer while still coming home to a peaceful, affordable lifestyle of the high desert. All right, there's the top 10, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me today on living in the high desert of Southern California. I hope you're as pumped as I am about everything happening in our amazing region. If you're ready to dive into the high desert life, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss out on an update. Till next time, guys. Take care.